Welcome to another exciting episode of Startup Saturday, your premier source for the hottest trends and game-changing innovations in the startup world. This week, we explore groundbreaking AI solutions, high-stakes acquisitions, and major funding boosts that are reshaping industry. Let's dive into the dynamic world of startups and discover what's making waves this. Let's get started. HCL Tech has partnered with Upgrad Enterprise to offer job-aligned skilling program. This collaboration merges HCL Tech's Career Shaper platform with Upgrad's university-led courses in high-demand fields like data and emerging technology. They aim to provide comprehensive learning experiences including study material, practice lab, and real-world industry experiences to enhance skill application in professional roles. The partnership also focuses on developing programs in generative AI and related technology. Additionally, they will launch a data science and AI academy of excellence to drive transformative business impact using Gen AI. Srimati Shiva Shankar of HCL Tech and Shrikant Iyengar of Upgrad Enterprise emphasize the importance of applied learning and the collaboration role in enhancing global professional skills. Before we jump back in, let me know if you are enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top of all things tech. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest startup news. We cover everything from emerging companies to the hottest trends in the industry. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how startups are shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Cricket legend Virender Sehwag has invested in Jaipur-based fintech startup GeetPay, founded by Praveen Sharma in 2016. Sehwag will also serve as the brand ambassador and contribute to the company's interactive voice response system VRS services. GeetPay specializes in customized digital payment and commerce solutions, offering transaction management, website integration, UPI QR codes, a payment gateway, HR, CRM, and more. Expressing his enthusiasm, Sehwag said, "I am thrilled to be on board GeetPay and be a part of their digital innovation journey. We aim to reach maximum merchants with cost-effective solution." GeetPay has partnered with over 15 lakh merchants and 150 banks across India and has raised over $4 million from investors like Mahavir Pratap Sharma and Hyderabad Angel. By 2025, GeetPay aimed to expand its services to 25 lakh merchants and explore international markets, enhancing its role in the payment ecosystem through continuous innovation. That's all for today's startup news. We have seen some exciting developments and challenges in the tech world. Keep following us for more updates and insights into the ever-evolving startup landscape. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest news and information in the startup world. Stay tuned to IT Voice for more tech updates.